Hey Andy, I know you get really excited every time we get to use the PXC Mitre Saw. I really love using it too. What do you like about it?
Look, it's my favourite tool because you can do lots of repetitive cuts all at the same size, nice and square. And it's battery operated, which means you can clamp it to the bench and you can take it straight to the project in the backyard as well.
Well, the first time you introduced it to me, I did think it looked a little daunting, but I love using it now. It's super easy to use. I love that there's the laser light, so I can do these perfect cuts. And you've taught me if I go really slow, that it is a perfect finish every time. Can you tell me some more about it?
Yeah, sure. For safety, it's got a two-stage activation on the trigger and a button to retract the guard as you cut. As you said, Candy, the laser line helps you align your cuts for precision, and let's not forget the work light to help you see what you're doing. To stop all that airborne dust, there's a dust extraction port on the back here so you can hook up a vacuum cleaner. The solid alloy base, with its adjustable extension arms and material stops, makes it so easy to support your timber and do multiple cuts to the same length. The holes in the base give you the option to screw it to the bench or keep it mobile. A Mitre Saw is all about making cuts to create joins. This one's at 90 degrees, which means it's a cross cut, which enables you to make a butt join. When you move the base to anything other than 90 degrees, this is called a mitre, and it creates a really clean join for making cool picture frames. At the back here is how you turn it into a bevel, which is almost the same as a mitre cut when you join them, just using the longer edge of the timber. When you combine a bevel and a mitre cut, you get a compound mitre cut, which is really cool for creating a bit more of a three-dimensional feel to the joins. And it's often used in furniture making, as well as 3D picture frames.
Oh, I can't wait till we get to use the Mitre Saw again on another project. Subscribe to our Ozito YouTube channel. We've got more videos coming out soon.